Queen, we're gonna head over to CVS because they're having their Epic Beauty event. There's so many amazing deals that you can do using only your phone. We're getting products for free. There's moneymaker deals, of course, and you don't need any paper coupons to score. So first, I'm gonna share with you a couple different tips on using this CRT that everyone got before we head to the store. Then I'm gonna share with you a bunch of deals that you can do in the store, a couple tips along the way, and then some scenarios. So you can either take my scenario and do it for yourself, or you can mix and match and put together your own scenario so you're stocking up on products that you actually need. So this is the CRT that you are going to clip. It is a store coupon. You can find it right in the CVS app. Just click savings on the bottom, and then you're gonna scroll down a little bit and you'll see it. So click the plus sign to send it to your card and activate that coupon. So that is a one-time use coupon, unfortunately. So you wanna pick whichever scenario works best for you because it's only gonna work one time. You can either use it in store or you can use it online. If you don't see it in your coupons under the savings tab on the app, then in store, you can go to the red box, type in your number and it will print out, and then you're just gonna hand it to the cashier when you're checking out, and they're gonna scan it after they scan all your products. And before we go, there's two things you always wanna make sure that you're checking. First, Ibotta. I have 3% cash back for my out-of-pocket cost when I'm couponing today at CVS. So you wanna make sure that you activate that if you have it available. So you're gonna open the Ibotta app, you're gonna search for CVS and click on it, and then it'll be right there if you have it. Now, all rebate apps do vary, so you may not have that one. The second thing you always want to check is Rakuten. They offer in-store cashback as well. A lot of people don't know that. So you're going to click in-store at the bottom, search for CVS. Then you're going to click add right next to CVS. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you're adding your credit card that you're going to be paying with when you're shopping at CVS. So you're going to click your profile in the bottom right, look for credit card, you're going to scroll down a little bit for credit card, and you're going to add your credit card. Now you're only adding the numbers, you're not adding the expiration code or the CVC, so you don't have to worry about someone like stealing your information or anything. I've been using Rakuten for about 6 years now. I absolutely love them. Completely up to you if you want to though. Below in the description box is the printable breakdown, so definitely check that out, as well as some other resources like all my stock up prices for different products, but just a bunch of information to help you guys on your couponing journey. So let's head over to CVS and take advantage of this incredible event.
Let's get started with a bunch of different deals that are going to be included in using that 10 off 25 beauty CRT. Then I'm going to show you a couple different scenarios at the end. So keep in mind that beauty CRT, like I mentioned, is a one-time use. So you can mix and match these deals and put together your own scenario, or pick which one of the scenarios that I show you that you want to do. Now it is Sunday, it is pretty early, so my store is not tagged yet, but that's okay. I'm going to show you real quick how you can see what products are in what deal. So this Eucerin, I already know is included because I did my breakdowns at home, which I highly recommend. When you scan it on the CVS app, click the savings tab and the barcode scanner, then you're going to scan it. Shows that it is working with that 10 off 25. So you want to make sure that you're double checking that for every single product you're buying. Then if you click the product, see how it says $4.99? If you click that, shows that it's on sale for $4.99. When you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that it's also included in a promotion for buy one, get a $3 extra buck. So this product alone, not using that CRT yet, again, I'll show you those scenarios at the end, is $4.99. You'll get back a $3 extra buck, makes it $1.99. Another option for that promotion for buy one, get a $3 extra buck is the smaller Niveas as well. So these are on promotion for $4.99 and they are included, so you can pick which lotion you want. There's no coupons for these as well, so your final cost would be $1.99 if you prefer this over the Eucerin. Next, we have oral care, of course, is going to be included. So Colgate is buy two, you're going to earn back a $3 extra buck. I'm sorry, a $4 extra buck. These are on sale for $3.99 each this week. Grab two, that's $7.98. Clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon on the CVS app. You're going to wind up paying $4.98, get back the $4 extra buck, makes it 98 cents for two or 49 cents each, which is my personal stock up price for oral care. I do have a list of all my stock up prices below in the description box. You can get that downloaded completely free. We have quite a few hair care deals included. So Garnier Fructis, these are included too, are on sale 2 for $8. Buy two, get a $3 extra buck, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $5, earn back the $3 extra buck, makes them $1 a piece. Head & Shoulders is another great option. These are buy one, get one 40% off. There's no digital coupons. It does work with the CRT, but we do have Ibotta rebates for $2 cash back each. We do have some men's hair care included as well. So Dove hair care is buy two, get a $4 extra buck. The Dove Men is the best deal at $6.99 each for the smaller bottles. Grab two. Clip the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $9.98, earn back a $4 extra buck, makes it $5.98 for two, or just $2.99 a piece. CoverGirl is a great deal as well. That's all digital. So I'm not at the cheapest store in my location or in my area. These are a little bit more expensive than usual. One of the other stores is $5.49. This one is $6.29, so it just depends on where you go. But grabbing two at $6.29 will bring you to $12.58. We have a $2 digital coupon, so clip that. You'll pay $10.58, earn back a $6 extra buck for buying two CoverGirl, then submit to the Checkout 51 app for a $2 coupon reimbursement for the second product because we didn't use a coupon on that product. That makes your final cost $2.58 for two. And again, none of these prices yet are factoring in that 10 off 25 CRT. So stay tuned for some amazing scenarios and freebies that you can grab. And if you love freebies and digital coupon deals and just never having to pay full price, take a second, hit that red subscribe button and smash the thumbs up on this video. That helps me so much on my channel. Another deal you can do is on Axe deodorant. So you can either grab these down here or you can grab the sprays that are $7.29. That's the cheapest one. They do work with a 7 off 2 digital coupon as well, and they work with that beauty CRT. So let's pop over. I'm going to show you 3 different scenarios that you can do and the scenario that I'm going to wind up doing. Another option, let's get into some expensive facial care that we're gonna get for less than $1. We can always get deals on Garnier and all that kind of stuff week after week, but we don't always get to stock up on the more expensive products. So this is the scenario that I'm personally gonna be doing. L'Oreal is spend $30, get a $12 extra buck. And I'm looking for some like SPF in my lotion for my morning for face. So what I'm gonna do is grab both of these, $14.49 and $15.99. We have a $3 digital and a $5 digital coupon, plus the 10 off 25 beauty CRT. So your out-of-pocket cost is gonna be $12.48, earn back a $12 extra buck. You're getting $30 worth of facial care for a net cost of $48. That's amazing. And again, you can pay with extra bucks, which I plan on doing. So that way you can lower your out-of-pocket cost. Now let's get into some diaper deals. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know I have a baby and you know I try to share as many diaper deals as possible because they are freaking expensive. So these are included in a promotion for spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. Huggies are on sale as well at 2 for $20. So you're gonna grab any 2, it doesn't matter what size. If you have not used your $1.50 coupon yet, definitely clip that and use it. I have already used mine last week, so I'm gonna be calculating the cost without using that coupon. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to the Shopkick app. We're gonna get 500 kicks per bag that we grab. That's 1,000 kicks. You transfer that to cash by multiplying it by 0.004, which is $4 cash back. So we have to get to the $30 mark for this promotion. So I'm gonna grab some Cottonelle as well. Here's the tag again for you guys that shows what's included in this promotion. So one thing too that I realized maybe last year about Cottonelle, this is a 1-ply. I don't do 1-ply. These Ultra Comfort are 2-ply. So I'm gonna grab the purple one. I always stick to the purple one. We also have a $2 digital coupon. So these are the 3 products I'm grabbing for this promotion. Now your store does have to follow the 98% rule, meaning we're at $29.99 with these deals in this promotion. So that's at least 98% of 30. So it's gonna work and I'll get back the $10 extra buck. So we have $2 in coupons for this promotion, all digital. I'm gonna wind up paying $27.99 out of pocket. Again, not using the $1.50 on the Huggies because I don't have it. So if you do, yours will be a little bit cheaper. Then I'm gonna earn back the $10 extra buck and $4 cash back from Shopkick. My final cost, my net cost is $13.99 for all 3 products, or $4.66 a piece, which is amazing. If you need feminine care, Carefree is a great deal this week. So these are gonna be the cheapest products included. They're $4.79, but they're buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, earn back a $2 extra buck. We also have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $5.18, get back the $2 extra buck, makes your final cost $3.18 for 2 packs. Total for these products is $26.56. You have $16 worth of coupons. You'll pay $10.56 out of pocket. Then you're going to earn back your $6 extra buck for these and $4 extra buck for these, giving you $10 in extra bucks back. Makes your final cost 56 cents for all 4 products. Another scenario you can do is grabbing these 6 products. You're gonna get the 2 Colgate, the 2 Garnier, and the 2 Axe. Total for all these products is gonna be $30.56. After your $13 in manufacturer coupons and the 10 off 25 CRT, you're gonna pay just $7.56 out of pocket. So this is the lowest out of pocket cost if you have no extra bucks to use. Then you're gonna earn back $7 in extra bucks. So your net cost for this as well is 56 cents for all 6 products.
All right, we're back home from CVS. Everything went perfect at checkout. That's why I love couponing at CVS. We rarely have issues with digital coupons not coming off. So I'm gonna share with you guys my receipt. I did everything on one transaction. I only did 2 deals this week. I wound up doing the beauty deal, of course, and I wound up doing the diaper and Cottonelle deal because I'm actually out of toilet paper again, and I can always stock up on Huggies diapers. The rest of the products I didn't need. I have a ton in my stockpile, so I always share with you guys, make sure you're couponing with a purpose. You're couponing for products that you're actually gonna use, unless you're like putting in a deal to make the overall cost of all the products cheaper. So for example, if you need Garnier hair care and you need something else and you're adding into Colgate to be able to use that 10 off 25, then it definitely makes sense to go ahead and do that. But just make sure that you have a purpose for why you're couponing. Okay, so these are all the different products that I grabbed. I only grabbed a couple. Here's the L'Oreal coupons, the Cottonelle. Here's that 10 off 25 coming off. These are extra bucks I earned from last week, and I'm part of the Extra Care Club or Extra Savings Club or whatever it's called. So final out of pocket would have been $19.55 plus tax. I had a gift card from Fetch Rewards still for $10.54 on that gift card. So I paid out of pocket $10.76 on my credit card. Then I submitted to Ibotta for the 3% back, which wound up being 64 cents cash back. Then I got the $4 cash back from Shopkick for submitting on the diapers. Plus I submitted, well, I didn't submit, but I had it activated for Rakuten for the in-store cash back of 5%. So I got 54 cents back on that as well. So my final cash cost, what I wrote in my budget, is $5.58. Because you take what you paid out of pocket, what you swiped your card for, we're always talking about real money, minus cash back that you got. So cash back is Rakuten, Ibotta, and Shopkick. So you're gonna subtract those. I do not count extra bucks that I'm using, and I do not count extra bucks that I'm earning when I'm talking about my budget and when I'm talking about my real cash cost. Because extra bucks is like Monopoly money. So think of this, if you're couponing to pay off your debt, can you pay off your debt with extra bucks? No. So do not factor it in your budget. Extra bucks is like coupons. It's a tool to lower your out-of-pocket cost and how much you're spending. So hopefully that makes sense. There's been so many comments and so much kind of conversation about like what things really cost and how to calculate your costs as a couponer. So let me know in the comments if that makes sense. If you have any questions, anything like that, it is super important. Because if you're not calculating your cost the right way, like I made the mistake when I first started, I was thinking I was getting everything for free. Even though I would say spend $30 out of pocket, get $30 back in extra bucks. Well, that's not free. Your bank account went down $30, so you need to put that in your budget. Once I figured that out, that's how I was able to pay off the $11,000 in debt. And now I'm using my couponing savings to be able to pay off my new truck. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you score some incredible deals this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.